Hey guys, y'all welcome back to the Roadhouse. Happy Saturday to y'all. We'll do a quick little cook today. I got the Weber fired up for some indirect cooking. I got a couple of potatoes out there we're going to bake off on it. So while that's going, got a little pork loin here. And what we're going to do with this pork loin, we're going to hit that with some of Uncle Steve's competition pig powder. And we're going to let that dude marinate while the potatoes are baking on the Weber there. So we're going to give us a generous little dusting of the pig powder here. Alright, we got that did. We're going to let this rest up a little bit. Y'all come up here. Boy, pay attention. We'll be back in a minute. Alright, welcome back. My tater's been on about 20 minutes or so. They're getting there. Now we're going to throw the pork loin on here. We're just going to set that dude right in the middle. Oh yeah. Nice. Okay. And we'll be smoking with some apple wood today, y'all. Apple goes real good with pork. Small little chunks, so we'll do that in a little bit. Get a little smoke on. Get in there, straggler. Alright, got that going. We'll check back in about another 20 minutes. Let's check this dude and see how we're looking. We'll run about 350, somewhere thereabouts. Oh yeah, looking nice. Little apple wood smoke. We're about 125. All right. Potatoes ought to be done about the same time as the pork loin. So, all right. We'll let this go probably about another 15 minutes or so, and we'll come back and check it. Almost forgot, y'all. Almost forgot to throw the sausage on here. And we're not doing connected today. I got some Polk's sausage, and that's good stuff too. So we'll throw that on there and let that go a little bit. Oh yeah. All right. That'll do. We'll check back in about 15-20. All right. Here's the deck in the evening time. Let's go out here and check this pork loin, see how we doing, y'all. Taters are done. Let's flip that sausage over. Oh, that looks nice, nice, nice. Smells good, y'all. Uncle Steve's shakes freaking rock, man. Oh, that looks good. That looks real good. Check us a little temp right quick. Now I may just sear it off for just a minute. Let's see. 145. Get all this off, y'all. I'm gonna let it rest for a minute and I'll meet y'all inside. Alright, this thing's rested about 20 minutes or so. Let's slice this stuff open and see what we got here. We're gonna be in good shape. Nice and juicy, I'll tell you that. Oh yeah. Cool one. Oh, that's looking good, y'all. Dang. Oh, that juice. Nice bark. Oh yeah. Where is my towel? We got to try this right quick. Miss Carrie says she's hungry. Alright, gang. Let's give this a try. Uncle Steve shake, y'all. Competition pig powder. Cheers to you, man. Y'all, that's good. Some of that juice, man. Gotta hit that again. I'll get y'all some plate picks. Appreciate y'all. Just a simple little quick cook, man. Uncle Steve's is rocking. Shaking on everything. You know what I'm saying? Y'all have a good weekend. We'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.